Hey, sneekylinux back today on day 4 of Multimedia. Right, day 4, not too bad. Got some bits and bobs sorted out. And today we're going to show you a bit of editing and what stuff we use on Multimedia. But first we're going to go to Multimedia. Now, before, as you said, a bit of problem with it recognising CDs and getting the names and that from the CD database. Now, Songbird, Deadbeef and that don't work. Still don't get me songs. But pmusic works perfectly. Now, who would have thought that, eh? The simple one working the best on that. And also, if I go back down to Multimedia again, menu, Multimedia, Media Tools, we'll go up to Asunder, Asunder for ripping. Perfectly. Gets everything. Bit of UK garage going down here, I was going to rip, and I did later, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that works perfectly. So that's that bit out of the way. So we do need a better music player, really, end of the day, but we'll suffice with what we've got so far. So what else are we going to do? Well, on day 4, we've got most of the stuff installed, and there's been a few problems, especially with the CPU not recognising all the 4 cores. Okay, so the other problem that we've still got, now we've got, go to Google, and we're going to put in YouTube, and we're going to try a video. So, YouTube, go up to there, click YouTube, go to the tube, because it's the tube. Now we're going to look for a video in a second. One of those? No. You know what? I might as well have one of mine, or I was going to get told off, ain't I? So I'll put my name in the search bar. There we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to open one of mine up. What one should we have? Yeah. Should we have a Living with Puppy Dear 1? Oh yeah, Dear 1. Now, the problem we have is, as soon as we go to full screen, so even if I go to 720, it starts slowing already, look. Don't like it at all. It's something wrong with the old CPUs, or Flash is not working correctly for me on this hardware. As soon as we get to full screen, bish bosh, crash again. Widescreen's okay, but as soon as you go to a full screen widescreen, it don't know. So that's the other problem I'm having at the moment, but I'm sure some of the guys will sort it out unless it's hardware specific, which I don't think it is. So that's the moan out of the way. Okay, anyway. What should we do next? I know. I'll go to File, and here you'll see a little video I've made using Record My Desktop. Now it comes out in an OGV file, so it's a video file. If I go down to Multimedia, and I scroll down to VLC, you can actually play that in VLC, but you can't do anything else with it, so I'll just quickly play it for you. Open it up. It's just a quick couple of seconds of showing you the screen, blah-de-blah-de-blah. So the CPU's not working properly there either. It's jumping around a bit. Not too good, is it really? But it does work. Trust me, it does work. Especially because I'm recording at the same time. Bit of a pain at the back side, really. So anyway, we'll go back down to menu. We're going to go up here. There we go. Multimedia. And we go up here to Open Shot. Now, if I add that particular file, so there it is, I'll scroll down a bit, there's the out, click Add. As you can see, Open Shot can't recognise it. It just doesn't know what to do with it, and if I click play, that's the sort of screen you get, which is no good really, because you can't do nothing with it, can you? So that'd be a waste of time. So you're saying to me, well, how do I convert them so I can do stuff? Well, I'm just about to show you that, aren't I? Wait a minute. Yes, you can do it, just didn't say there's no way of doing it. There is. So go to Multimedia again, Media Tools, and you'll see a little program called F Convert. Lovely little puppy program. You can convert any video or audio format and file to anything you really want to. So I'll put that little thing in, I'll click OK. Now I'll put in lib264, the bit rate of 5000, and it's going to go to root my documents. That's a different folder. There you go, let's say, same as that. You will have to specify the bit rate you need for it. Trust me on that one. You can change the quality, but the quality is, I just want to keep it the same. You can change the screen size if you want to, the aspect ratio, and frames per second, but I'm going to keep it the same as source, which is 15 frames per second on this. There's no audio in this one, so I haven't bothered, but you can do all the changes there too. Now I'm using AVI file format, and it's going to do a 2-pass conversion. Just click Convert, and off we go. Look at that. Isn't that easy peasy, bleeding wheezy? Lovely. Done the first pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just about finished the second pass. It's way a bit longer because I'm doing this as is. So you'll see me convert at the same time. All done. Look at that. Now, if I click play, known player won't play it for some reason. I don't know why that is. I've always had trouble with a known M player in Puppy. Never worked for me, but it works for other people. So maybe it's just me. So yeah, anyway. So what we'll do, we'll go down to Multimedia again. Scroll down, we'll go to the VLC again. VLC plays basically everything, as you all know or should know. I'm going to open that file. Now remember, it's in my documents. And there's the AVR file. Click open. There you go. We're playing. Lovely. Super. We're going to play. Look. Yeah. It doesn't really. It don't like recording and playing stuff at the same time. Really don't. I think I don't know what it is. Must be the hardware. But normally it does work super fine. So anyway, now we're going to go back down to multimedia again. We're going to open shot. There you go. Opens up. Now we're going to open that file again. So we need to go to My Documents. The Out AVI. Add. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and Steve's your sister or brother, depending on what sort of gender they are. You click play there. Look at that. Nicely does. You can do all your stuff from here. Nice. Super editing. Put all your stuff in. Add your music. Whatever you want to do. Nice. Now, you can do static titles, but you can't do the new animated titles because it needs a new version of Blender. So what the hell's happened now? I don't know, because it used to work in the other one. A bit of a pain, wasn't it? So I mean, it's stuttering again while recording. So come on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to XvidCap for the next video, because I know that's stable. It's like CPU, but it's stable. Yeah. So on the whole, really, really good. You can do all your videos and that from here, if you really wanted to. It wouldn't be my main choice, but it's a brilliant backup system. I thought, if like for one system I couldn't do it, for instance. Tomorrow we're going to do CPU frequency scaling and a lot of other bits and bobs. Here's my processes I'm going to show you anyway, you know, that sort of thing. We're going to do some other bits and bobs, and we're basically going to finish up the next 2 days. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not using hardly any stuff there really, but it's just something along the line Record My Desktop don't like, and I know XvidCap will do it. So yeah, super bleeding duper. Sneaky Linux going out. I'll be seeing you later. Bye-bye.